A mystery odor in the built environment could be everything from a nuisance to something that may signal potential short or long-term health concerns for building occupants. These types of odors could even lower property values and, in commercial or institutional settings, may result in decreased productivity, increased absenteeism, and higher employment turnover rates. These odors could be coming from cigarette smoke or vaping, cooking, cleaning chemicals, and pets. They can also be the result of inadequate ventilation, unsanitary conditions, water damage, and vapor intrusion. Additional sources of mystery odors may be coming from mold, bacteria, sewer gas, or off-gassing from building materials and household products. Commercial and industrial properties may also suffer from off-gassing from manufacturing chemicals and processes. Mystery odors could also be infiltrating a structure from an outside source. Odors can enter a building through air intakes, windows, and doors. They could include vehicle exhaust or air pollution from a nearby factory, landfill, or other source. When an odor complaint occurs in the workplace, an investigation is often initiated. While the source of the odor may be readily apparent, other times it can be a true mystery, as there can be a myriad of possible sources in a typical building. If the source cannot be readily identified, an indoor air quality assessment involving air testing by a qualified professional is often the next step. A qualified professional knows what to look for and how to take air samples. When the source of the odor is identified, it is then possible to develop a strategy to eliminate the odor through mechanical means, filtration, or changes in the content and daily practices within the building. These are just a few of the many things to know about mystery odors and indoor air quality. To learn more about this or other building science, industrial hygiene, environmental health, or safety issues, please visit the websites shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.